the Arch of Tarragona. The Arch of Tarragona. There you go, folks. Yeah. Tarraco. I tell you, the rain has come down, and then I was so fortunate to get a little photo. All the Spanish places are closed. The kebab is open, like the McDonald's. Kebab house is open. It's a Roman archaeology, folks. No tourists. That's the beauty. This time of the night, it's 11:30 in the morning. No, in the night. Here in Tarragona. Oh, was I lost here? 1983. 83. Then 2000. No, 97. And then probably 2004, 2003, not sure. And here I am, 24. Tarragona. The pond is empty. Ensemble. UNESCO World Heritage. Tarraco. Muralla Romana. Portal del Rossa. Let's go in there. Yeah. How the Roman Empire just carried on. Tarraco. Rome. All of Spain, all of the north. From Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, Libya, and then on to Egypt. Wow, what a joy. Roman buildings in a Roman town. A little bit of flavor here, what it looks like. There's the center. Let's see if I can eat something here. Huh? What's there to eat? Hey! What's there to eat, folks? I'm sure there'll be lots of things. Tarragona on a Saturday night. Saturday night in Tarragona. The young folks having a good old drink. Fabulous. Burgers. Alcohol is the story today. Every day. All the night. It's a restaurant. looking for a restaurant that is old enough that I can get something to eat proper. Huh? The kids are having beer. I'm going to look for water. Food, folks. They're all shut 11:30. Kebab boys are open. Just in the corner there, sushi and wine tasting. I'm in Tarragona. Just imagine where we are heading, right? Nothing, not even a tapas place open. A ramen store here, look. Where is the tapas? Ramen and graffiti, look. This is Spain for you. In Tarragona. Where is those sobrasadas? Where are they? Sausages and all kinds of panda. Look at this. Fantastic, don't you think? Pasta place here. Where are those? Pasta fresca. Why do I have to come all this way to go to a pasta place? That's open. I could have some food. No, I'll go rather hungry. Yes, I will. I'm going to. And it is beady eyes. Beady eyes. Hello, Tarragona. Beady eyes. Wow, look at this. Where are we? I can see a McDonald's. No way, folks. Where's the sobra? Where's my sobrasadas? A good old sausage.